Hey guys, here we are again on the Ford 3000. As you can see, I'm almost ready. I've got all the switches back in, contact, lights and the horn. So and I've got the indicators working. Yes, and even the trailer socket. And the lights. And I've got some new lights in the front. And I'm very happy so far with it. Only thing left to do is replace these parts again to cover the wires up. So I've made the wire run behind the hydraulic pipe backwards to the socket again. I've welded a bracket on there, and wow, it's even a little bit blue and not rust colored. Unbelievable. So here I got the light switch turned off again, and yeah, this was it. If you have any questions, please ask them. I will reply on that. We'll make a video on that. So and one other thing, I'm going to make a video of the indicators, how I've wired that. I've got some spare parts to show you how to do that with a relay and so what. So that's going to be nice. I think the owner is going to be very happy with this. Also, with this dual filters, these 3000 had, you almost can't get to the wiring of the starter motor, but I've got it there without any removing of the filters. I just could reach it with my hand back there, you can see it. But that worked out well also. Well, this one is going to leave the garage, and maybe later I'm going to do some other project again. And I replaced the headlamps with some fog lights. They were on my other tractor and I had them taken off for the other ones. They weren't also very good, so but they are on here now. Well, she's rusting all over the place, but somehow it's a lovely tractor. Well guys, please like my videos, and if you do like my videos, maybe you want to subscribe. It's all free, so see you later guys.